a Russian Soyuz MS-28 spacecraft, carrying 2 Russian cosmonauts and 1 NASA astronaut, successfully docked with the International Space Station on Thursday, according to the Russian space agency Roscosmos. However, the agency later revealed that the launch pad at the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan had suffered significant damage during the launch. Despite the initial concern, Roscosmos assured the public that the damage would be promptly repaired, and all necessary reserve elements were in place to restore the launch pad's functionality. The Soyuz 2.1A rocket lifted off from the Baikonur Cosmodrome at 12:28 p.m. Moscow time, 9:28 GMT. Russian news agencies quoted Roscosmos as stating that the launch proceeded without incident, but an inspection of the launch area revealed signs of damage. Roscosmos confirmed that an assessment of the launch complex's condition is underway, and they are confident that the damage will be eliminated soon. The crew, consisting of the 3 astronauts, is reported to be in good health and on board the station.